Okay, this is my first impression of the new DJI Pocket 2 camera, 3-axis gimbal on the camera. I'm going to show you some sample footage that I did. Let's walk just a little bit. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Walk about the park. I'm talking because I want to see how the audio picks it up. That's Olive. Must be. Shall we walk over and catch the Olive? She's just letting them know there's somebody in their dooryard. Can we go that way, or do we have to go around?
You can go that way. Like we won't be able to see anything, huh?
Uh-oh, they're coming to get you. You're in trouble now. Or maybe it's me that's in trouble. The sun is so bright, it's so low in the sky.
We won't go any further than this.
My overall impression is this camera is worth every penny that I paid for it, with the 3-axis gimbal and the size of it. It's very small, comes with a case. You can literally put the whole thing into your pocket, thus the name. This is the second generation. The first generation was known as the Osmo Pocket, and this is just called the Pocket 2. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. And thank you for watching.